How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to carb cycle for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. Carb cycling is very easy to do. When first doing it, you need to make sure that you are already very good at tracking your calories. Because when we carb cycle, we're going to have to know how many carbs we are eating each day. If you have never tracked your calories before, then you will not know how many carbs you are eating per day. If this is you, then this is fine. I recommend you watch some of my videos on how to track calories. It will show you how to track them properly and how to do it step by step. It will make the video a lot easier to understand. With that being said, let's start off with carb cycling. How do we actually do it? When starting to carb cycle, what you want to do is vary your carbs on certain days. So what I like to do is have a low carb day, which is 50 grams or lower of carbs. I will have a medium carb day, so 150 grams of carbs to 50 grams of carbs. And then I will have a high carb day, which is anything from 150 to 300 grams of carbs. I will then have a medium carb day, I will then cycle these days. Some days I might do 2 low carb days in a row, followed by a high carb day, then maybe 3 medium carb days, followed by a low carb day. The point of carb cycling is to just cycle your energy levels, you guys. If you are doing low carb on the weekend and you don't do too much, then have a low carb day, you guys. But if on weekdays you are very, very active, then do a higher carb day during the week. Again, carbs are important to track, but your overall calories is much more important. If your total calories aren't met for that day, then you will not get results. Trust me on this. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.